Manually positioning parts with the triad is still the best option for precise control. But when you need to separate parts quickly, Cadasio's Explode tool can save a lot of time. In this quick tip, I'll show you how it works and when to use each mode. To begin, select the parts you want to explode. Once selected, head to the Transform tab and under the Arrange 3D section, choose Explode. There are 3 modes to choose from, which you can toggle between using the buttons at the bottom of the screen. Linear Explode pulls components apart along a single axis. The part furthest from the pull direction stays anchored, while the remaining parts are spaced evenly away from it. It's ideal for sequential assemblies like a stack of bolts or plates in a straight line. Symmetrical Explode moves parts outward in opposite directions simultaneously, keeping a central part fixed. This is a great way to keep your view balanced without having to move each side individually. Spherical Explode pushes all selected parts outward from the center of your selection. It's an incredibly fast way to get a clear view of every internal part in a dense assembly. It's worth noting that the Explode tool is simply automating what you could do manually. If it doesn't give you the perfect result, once you accept the Explode, the parts behave as normal and can be freely translated or rotated, allowing you to fine-tune their positions and achieve the exact result you're looking for. We hope you found this quick tip useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Cadasio on all your favorite social platforms for more tips and tricks.